It's a 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready for takeoff, this is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. External memory control, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Wi-Fi hotspot. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.